Hello judges, my name is Vihaan Shah.
And my name is Akash Padmarajan. And our project for the prompt of uselessness through creativity is called Super Snails.
So here's some backstory to start us off. In this world, a team of young scientists spent millions to push the limits of biology. They genetically mutated common garden snails to test the boundaries of both strength and speed. To settle the score on whose mutation was best, they staged a race. But as you're about to see, while the scientists are geniuses at biology, they clearly didn't think through the practical role of their inventions. So to introduce the game, there will be 4 snails racing on 4 different tracks. And on the sidelines, their scientists will coach them, help them in order for them to, reach first. And this game was developed through HTML, CSS, and JavaScript languages with the help of AI. So the first snail is called Shelly, and its power-up is Shell Spin. Next up is Sparky, whose power-up is Lightning Dash. Third is Speedy, whose power-up is Fast Forward. And last but not least is Slimy, whose power-up is Slime Trip. So these snails will be uniquely designed and will move through the race at different tempos based on their powers and capabilities. So now Akash will present a playthrough of our game.
So this is the link to the game. So this is our front page. So you can select any snail that you want. And we have Sparky, and it tells you their powers. So Sparky has a huge speed burst, Speedy, Slimy, Shelly. You can select 45 seconds, 90 seconds, or 3 minutes. I'll select 45 seconds for this walkthrough. So then you press Let's Race. And then it tells you how to coach your snails. So I picked Shelly, and this is Shelly's power, Shell Spin. And your job is to pet the snail, put lettuce to lure your snail, and then use the steer arrows because the snail is going to veer off track sometimes. And then you can use your power-up ability when it cools down and lets you use it. So let's go. So this is me, Shelly. So I'm moving the keys up and down. And the frustrating thing about Shelly and all the snails, it's going to go off course. So I have to put in the lettuce to lure it back. So it's going to follow the lettuce. And now I have a power up. I'm going to use that real quick. So I'm in 3rd place. Another one. And I have to keep petting my snail. Otherwise, so as I pet the snail, the morale goes up. So Shelly's almost there. And then another lettuce to lure Shelly. And keep petting. So now I'm in 2nd place, and I finish in 2nd place. So in a second, this is the leaderboard. I get 2nd place, Shelly. So that's the app.
So now we will travel to the back end. So we started off with HTML, and this page is a single container. Next, we use CSS, and our goal was to have a chunky cartoon style. And finally, we use JavaScript. And using JavaScript, the race runs on a per frame tick driven by request animation frame. And finally, the uselessness aspect of the game. So even though these snails are very mutated and very powerful, they're still not very intelligent, and they always need a scientist or somebody to push them forward and keep them on track for the race. Here are our sources. So we use Canva to create the presentation, and we use ChatGPT to create all the icons and UI elements. Thank you for listening.